Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Blockscout Explorer API easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Blockscout Explorer API, begin by visiting the official Blockscout website. Locate the API documentation section on the home page. Look for the authentication guide within the API documentation. Take note of the required authentication method. Most Blockscout instances utilize an API key for authentication. If you do not have an API key, create an account on the Blockscout platform. Once your account is set up, navigate to the API keys section in your user profile. Generate a new API key by following the prompts provided. Copy the API key to your clipboard for easy access. Now, open your preferred code editor or development environment. Install any necessary dependencies for making API requests. For example, you might use Axios for JavaScript or requests for Python. Once your environment is set, start by importing the HTTP library you selected. Next, create a variable to store your API key. Then, define the base URL for the Blockscout API. Add the endpoint you wish to access to the base URL. In your HTTP request function, include the API key in the headers. Set the method to get for fetching data. Make sure to handle any potential errors in your request. If the request is successful, you should receive data from the Blockscout API. Finally, process and display the retrieved data as needed. You've now authenticated with the Blockscout Explorer API successfully. This process can be adapted to various programming languages with slight modifications. Explore additional features of the API to expand your project functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.